Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to restrict text field and text area for URL in contact form 7 plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using contact form 7 plugin. So this is our form and we are going to restrict text field and text area and not allowed URL in text area and text field. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we are using this code for text area and text field. Now you see, if you want to use this code for text only, then use this both line text area. If you want to use this code for text area only, then you can remove these two lines. Now you see required field static, no required field for text and text area. So this is our custom code, and then you see not allowed URL array. So this is our format we added, and then you see custom message URLs are not allowed. And then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive no active and then click on save snippet. So this custom code works for all text field and text area in our form in contact form 7 plugin. Now you see snippet created and saved. Go to contact form and refresh the page. So first we are going to fill this form without URL. So we added some information and then click on submit. Now you see form submission done successfully, and then you see message. Again refresh the page. Now we are going to add in text field URL. So we added URL or link in your name field. Now you see email subject. We don't add in text area. First click on submit. And then you see error, one or more field have an error. Now you see URLs are not allowed. Now add here, copy and then paste and then click on submit again. Again you see message URLs are not allowed in text area in text field. So in this way you can add restriction on text field and text area in contact form 7 plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.